Arambam Bobby Singh was born on 1st February 1975 in Manipur to a Meitei family. He joined the Sports Authority of India located at Langol as a gymnast in 1989. He joined Sahastra Seema Bal in 1993 under their sports promotion program and shifted his discipline to athletics and became a sprinter in 100 and 200 meters. In the year 1995, Bobby started his new career as a bodybuilder. In 1996, he won Mr. Manipur Junior Overall title and Mr. Manipur Senior Overall title. In the same year, he represented India in the Junior Asian Bodybuilding Championship held in Delhi. An offer was made to him by the Indian Railways in the year 1997 to join them, which he accepted. Thereafter, with the support of some railway authorities and rigorous training regimes, he was able to participate and win Mr. India in 1998 and Mr. World in 2010. Bobby's height is 165 centimeter, 5 feet 5 inch, and weighs 80 kgs. Some of his defining achievements are 10 Mr. World titles, 8 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze, 12 Mr. India titles, 3 Mr. South Asia gold titles, 4 Mr. Asia gold, and 3 Mr. Asia silver titles, totaling up to 7 Mr. Asia.